Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another installment of Solo Garage. So we're going to be doing a little maintenance work on Project Adam. I noticed when I was doing the O-ring, distributor O-ring replacements, that both my distributor cap and my rotor are pretty worn down. Well, corroded I should say. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be replacing those. So let's go ahead and unbox our stuff. I'm sorry about the fogging up of the lens. Went from being inside the house to outside where it's pretty muggy. It's actually looking like it's going to rain today. But let's go ahead and open up our boxes and see what those look like. Alright, so first off, Honda no longer sells the distributor cap or the distributor rotor, so I had to go to O'Reilly's for this. And first off, we have an import direct distributor cap. It's a little more expensive than the cheapest version, but not by too much. I think it was like 21 bucks or something like that. Even comes with replacement bolts and some new O-rings. And then we have a Master Pro distributor rotor. I actually got this one because it was, as far as design wise, the one that actually kind of matched the OEM one. I don't remember the price on this one, but I'll try to remember to leave links to both of these in the description. So the bolts holding in, well, you got 3 bolts for the distributor cap. They are 8mm. But they also have a Phillips head on them, so whatever you want to use, I will use just an 8mm. With a ratchet. So I'll loosen all these and then we'll be right back. Alright, so here's the old distributor cap. As you can see, pretty much all the points have some corrosion on them, which is why we want to replace it. And then here's my rotor. It was a little worse. We did clean it up a little, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it as well. Alright, so here's a quick side-by-side of our old distributor and our new one. Pretty much the same. I have mark this one with the numbers for the correct order, just so I don't lose that. Alright, so got this. Gonna hook that back on. Also, before I forget, we're gonna replace a little gasket. This one right here. I'm gonna replace it with a new one. So in my case, I did have to turn my engine over enough to get this screw to line up with the top. So we're just gonna loosen this and this rotor should pop off. Alright, so here's our new rotor. Here's our old one. Like I said, the design is pretty much the same, which is why I went for it. better look at the tip. And then here's a look at the new one. Alright, there's a new rotor on. There's our new gasket in place. Now, there's a new rotor cap. We will be using the new bolts that they provided. And then I'll stick my spark plug wires back in. Alright, so there she is, fully finished. It's a really simple job. And if anything, it does at least look cleaner now. Alright, so like I said, just a quick little video. I did have to go to Honda on Wednesday to order some bolts for the next video and a new gasket. So hopefully that arrives. I'm hoping on Monday, so we can get working on that next weekend. Hopefully the stuff I ordered for the S2 also arrives pretty soon. But that is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will try to remember to leave links to the parts down below. And I hope in the meantime you guys are staying safe. If you guys enjoy the videos, smash that like button. Drop some comments, any tips, comments, questions that you guys might have. Also, if you guys aren't subscribed, please do subscribe. We are getting super close to 100. So let's get to it. And again, see you guys on the next one.